So being a first-time bar owner and having something like Bottoms Up to start was life-saving. It really changed how we kind of developed our bar and developed our relationship with the community. This system is a game changer for the industry as a whole. My name is Michael Martinez. I'm one of the co-owners of OneUp in Broad Ripple, Indiana. I've worked in and out of bars for all my life, and I've never seen a tap system quite like it before. We decided to go with it over a normal tap system because we knew it would be a faster system for our bartenders, help us get stuff out quicker to customers, and regulate the level of product that we push out, which is very important in a high volume bar. We're one of the busiest spots north of downtown. We get some crazy high volume nights. We're just an arcade bar, and we still, Friday, Saturday nights, we're packed. We're absolutely to the brim. So pouring beers as quick and as efficiently as possible from a business standpoint makes the most sense. There's no reason to not use a system like this where we're getting not only beers efficiently and accurately out by inventory, we're also getting them out quickly. And I can get probably 3 to 4 times as many beers out in a night that I would normally with a normal tap system. As we've worked with it, we opened November 9th, and since then we've definitely seen good return on our product. We get almost every single ounce of beer out of a keg, like down to the last drop, which I've personally never seen out of another tap system. You know, you always get that kind of over pour, but on this system you get to the top of the glass with just the perfect head every time. Pretty much everyone can find benefit from this system. So yeah, please stop by anytime, see how the system works, talk to me. I'm happy to give you any information, just like from my side, somebody who's using it for their business. See what Bottoms Up has done for us. Seeing it in action changes everything. Seeing how it works on a busy night and how it helps us get product out fast, effectively, and in a way that at the end of the day also helps us make more money, which is what we're looking for as a business.